In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and schedule a post using the Meta Business Suite. Whether you're managing a business page or a community group, the Meta Business Suite provides a streamlined way to keep your followers engaged with your content. Let's walk through the steps together so you can efficiently make the most out of this tool. First, we'll begin by navigating to the Meta Business Suite. Once you've logged into your account, you'll want to head over to the Content or Planner section. This is your main hub for planning and organizing your social media posts. It's a powerful feature that allows you to visualize your posting schedule and keep everything organized. Now, to start a new post, you'll want to click on Create Post. This button opens up the Composer where you can start bringing your content ideas to life. The next step involves selecting your images. In the Media section of the Composer, you'll notice an option that says Add your photos or add your video. Click on this and it will allow you to select the images you wish to include. Keep in mind that you can add up to 10 photos at a time. Take advantage of this feature if you have several images that complement your post and convey your message more effectively. After your images have been uploaded, you'll see a preview of them displayed. Should you wish to change the order in which your photos appear, you can easily do so. Just click and drag each photo into your preferred sequence. This gives you the flexibility to highlight certain images or create a narrative with your visuals, ensuring your post is engaging and exactly how you envisioned it. Once your images are arranged to your satisfaction, it's time to add your content. Craft a captivating post caption to grab the attention of your audience. Remember, the text of your post is a direct communication with your audience, so make it impactful. You can also enhance your post further by adding additional details such as hashtags or a location. Hashtags can help extend your reach by making your post discoverable to a wider audience, while tagging a location can boost engagement with local communities. Finally, it's time to decide when you want your audience to see your post. If you're ready to share it immediately, you can click the Publish button. Alternatively, if you've planned your content calendar in advance, you have the option to select Schedule. This allows you to choose a specific future date and time for your post to go live, giving you the freedom to manage your posts strategically. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to effortlessly create and schedule posts using the Meta Business Suite. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it empowers you to engage with your audience more effectively. Thanks for watching, and happy posting.